Okay, so before we get started, first I want to show you the folder where everything is inside. So as you can see, the text file has not been created yet. So we're gonna go to the actual assignment, and this is the assignment homepage, and this is some code that I wrote for everything. Yeah. So let's see. So I'm gonna sign up for a new account. I'm gonna type in my credentials. Mail 27, ISTP, Mac, do 20 to 40. Actually, first off, I want to show you like the error handling. So I'm gonna do 20 to 108. So yeah, so it gives me an error because the max age is greater than 99. Let's see. So if we do like -5 to 99, same info. Mail 27 ISTP on Windows, whatever. Yeah, so I get another error because the age was less than 0. So I'm gonna sign up for a new account, and if I was to leave the name field blank, it will give me another error because I left the name blank, and I also listed some of the following rules that you must follow. So the name must not be blank, the age must be between 0 and 99, the letter must be a 4-letter value from the courtesy personality, and the minimum max 0 and 99. Yeah, so let's do the courtesy personality. So we're gonna sign up for an account. We're gonna put my name, sorry for the caps, male, 27. Let's do P, or what's the letter? Let's see, BSTP, 20 to 40. So yeah, it gives me another error. Okay, so let's actually make an account that works, no errors. So we're gonna say Lanil, choose Mel, do 27. We're gonna do ISTP. We're gonna do Mac, 20 to 40. We're gonna sign up. And yeah, so welcome or love Lanil Dickerson. So I'm gonna sign in Lanil Dickerson. View my matches, and I should have no matches. Yeah. So back to front page. We're gonna create another account. Let's create an actual match. I'm gonna do female. So my age range was 20 to 40, so I'm gonna say 22. I'm gonna do ESTP. I'm gonna also do Mac just for the sake of matching. Sign up, and I'm gonna log in and see matches. So I'm gonna do her first, and she should have me as a match. Yeah, male 27 ISTP Mac, and I should have her as a match, and I do. Female 22 ESTP Mac. Okay, so let me show multiple matches. So I'm gonna create one more. I'm gonna say let's see, Lauren Hill, female. My age range was 20 to 40, so I'm gonna do 39. Personality type, I'm gonna do ENFP. I'm gonna do max, so we match. I'm gonna do cutoff. I'm gonna do 20 to 30. So log in to see your matches, and we should match. So yeah, we match, and I should have 2 matches, which I do. Okay, so let me show a non-match. Sign up for a new account. So my range was 20 to 40, so I'm gonna make a female, and I'm gonna say Janice Hall, female. So I'm gonna do 41 since I was 20 to 40. Personality type, same personality type as me, same OS system, and a range which I am in. Sign up. So I'm gonna log in to see matches. Janice Hall should have no matches, and I should still have 2. I do. Okay, so now let's see. Let me do a male. So I'm gonna do Mike Jones, male. Age, I'm gonna do somebody that is in the range of Janice, which was 30, somebody 29. Do the same personality type. Actually, I'm gonna do EN. I'm gonna do ENFP because we only have one matching. So let's see. Then I'm gonna do favorite OS system was Mac. Okay, I'm gonna do. See, she was 39, so 20 to 40. I'm gonna do 50 actually. 50. Let's see. So Mike Jones should have. Okay, Kalia, Lauren, and Janice as the match. And I should have just Kalia and Lauren, yeah. Okay. Now let me show you if we don't have the same Kersey personality. So let me go find a personality. And let's see, I'm gonna type in a female. So I was ISTP, so I'm gonna do a female. I'm gonna do Beyonce Knowles because I am out of names, and I'm gonna say 37. Don't know how old she is. And I did ISTP, so let's do ENFJ. Yeah, let's do ENFJ, and I'm gonna do Mac because I had a Mac, so 20 to 40 in my age range. So let's see, Beyonce Knowles matches. Mike Jones, yeah, so I'm not in our match because we do not have the same type. Okay. And I'm gonna do one more. So we're gonna do Batty Hall. Do 31. So we have the same type. She's in my age range, but she likes Linux. 20 to 40. So I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna see Batty's matches, and I should not be on there. Yep, so she has no matches, and I should still have the same number of matches, which I believe was 2, yeah. Okay. So yeah, that is pretty much everything. I don't think there's anything else left to cover. Here's a little bit of the code. I have to open up a few more files, so let's see. So open Assignment4, I need the index, the matches, there's a lot of files. Matches submit, sign up, submit, index, matches. Okay, so that should be everything. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is my index page. I imported the PHP file for Common with all my functions on it. This is the function for banner, which is right here. Banner at the bottom, I think. Up past it. Yeah, so right here. So I just created the banner. Everything. So let's see. Sign up page. Just a typical form. Put the banner in a function so it's easy to call. I submit the information to sign up, submit. Sign up, submit. It's right here. So what I did right here was I made sure that all the errors were false, and if they were true, then it would bump me into this error, unless there was just a blank name, or the name was already in the on the text file, then it would just take me here. But if it didn't, if the name wasn't in the text file and it was blank, or any of these errors occurred, it would just throw me into here, the error handling. Let's see, so matches, pretty much just submitted the matches and etc. Like, and then for the submit, I got the name found, and then I made sure like there was no, like, the name wasn't left blank or anything like that, which I can show you right now. So let's see. So I'll do a random name that's not in there. So Kevin Young. Yeah, so sorry, you submitted invalid user information. Please go back and try again. So I have it going back. So if you enter a name that is not in the system, it'll give you an error. And let's see what else. So these are all my functions. It's a lot. So this is for the name. Define the name like from the, like, not database but from the text file. So what I did was created a couple arrays, and then I created a function down here called retrieve data, which I get all the information from the text file and I put it in a list. And then once I put it in a list, I put it in an associative array, so I could just have it categorized. And then I return the array, and then I use the array here, and I just I went through each value in the array with an iterator, and then if I found the name, I set the name to a variable, and I stored all the information about that name into variables, and then I had to break out of both for loops in order to go back and recheck the text file for like names that were before the name found. So once I did that, I did the for loop again. I wish I found an easier method because this was a pain, and I feel like it wastes a lot of space too. And yeah, but yeah. So I go through the array again, and then this time I check if the value that was found, the name that was found, if their credentials does not like is in range or is like, if their credentials is what the other person is looking for. So if the gender is not equal to the person's gender, if the age is greater than their minimum age, if it's less than their max age, and yeah, etc. Once I got the index that information was at, I pushed it into another array, and then this is just like if the array that it was pushed into, if the size is 0, then nothing was added, so you have no matches. And then right here, I just deleted the duplicates because I guess it gave me duplicate numbers because of the amount of times the for loop was, like, how many times it like went through the for loop. It gave me a lot of matches, so I just deleted all the duplicate values, and then I pushed the matches into another array. And then I just, right here, I just outputted all the matches and did a little bit of HTML, CSS. So yeah, so and then this is just a couple of functions. So this is the match to p type to make sure that, you know, at least one letter matches the other p type. This is to make sure that the name is not 0. So like so that the name has a value if it's not left blank. This is the age to make sure that it's not less than 99 or 0 and not greater than 99. This is the gender error to make sure that it's actually like male or female. This is the p type error. I had a lot of trouble with this one, but I was trying to combine it all in one statement up here, but what you have to do is nest it, because yeah, so if this is true, then you move on to that, and that's true. Yeah, so that's for the p type to make sure that that it's either, you know, that it's certain letters. This is the operating system error. If it isn't one of those operating systems, it throws an error. This is the min max age. So if they're not greater than 0, or if they're greater than 99, or if the max age is less than 0, or the max age is greater than 99, it returns true. If the age, max and min age aren't numbers, it returns true, else it returns false. It's a banner, retrieve data, we went over that. So validate name. So this is to make sure that that the name given is not in the file. So what I did was I opened the file. While it's not the end of file, it reads every line, then it stores in a list, and then it explodes that list by this delimiter, which is a comma and a space. So it splits up the variables by that, and then it groups them into so it groups them into the list based on that. Then what I did was I made a Boolean value to see if the name was found, which was false in the beginning. So if the name given, which is the name that the person is trying to make a account with, if that is equal to the name that's already in text file, it returns true, or it changes the Boolean value to true, and then it returns true, which would throw an error, say that your name is already in the database or in the system on the website. Otherwise, it's just going to keep it as false. So, yeah, this is just me storing in the array and all that, the values, and I close the file. I was working on the upload photo, but I didn't have time. I just had to work on the project a little bit more, so I didn't get a chance to finish that, but hopefully I'm going to still work on it after I turn this in. But yeah, so that's everything. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, take care.